How to fix Binance verification failed. So after opening your Binance, you may see that you may get the notification like your verification is not completed. So what you can do is go to your profile, and here when I tap on my profile, you can see that my verifications. When I tap on my profile, you can see my verifications is not verified. So just tap on it. So one of the main reasons why your verification is not verified may be because you haven't registered properly. Like you haven't completed the requirements of the app. So that may be one of the reasons why your account is not verified. So what we can do is here you get the option of continue verification. Just tap on it. After that, choose the country you are issuing in and choose the document type, like whatever document type you have at the moment, like passport, ID card, driver's license, or whatever. Just choose one of them and tap on continue. And the documents should be very clear. You need to upload it clear. You need to upload a complete image of your ID document. Ensure all the documents are readable in the image you upload. Ensure the document is the original and has not been expired. And place documents against the solid colored background. After that, tap on continue. So you may verify the document by taking a picture with your phone at that moment, or you may also upload an existing photo on your device. I'm going to choose and upload existing photos on my device and tap on continue. After that, you just need to tap on upload and upload a clear and good quality photo of your passport and document you have here. Here I have chosen passport, so I need to upload a picture of a passport. Just tap on passport, and the picture should be of maximum 10 MB in .jpg, .jpeg, and .png format. You will just choose from album, and then after that you need to and tap on continue. After that, that's it. That helps you verify your account after uploading your photo clearly, and then clearly giving your legal information on this app. So in that way you can verify your Binance account, and you can fix the verification, and you can fix the Binance verification which was not happening. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.